Walkway installation really is better left to pros so that you can get that drainage correctly by having the pitch right, so you can have a good material selection, so you get the right base installed. Really getting the pitch right so that your walkway is going to meet the surfaces. Like maybe one end of the walkway is going to meet some stairs, another end is going to meet an existing patio, and the whole thing has to drain correctly. So really getting that pitch and the lay of the land correct for your new walkway is key for it to function over the long term. I think walkways really should be done by professionals. So we'll make walkways and patios out of concrete pavers or stone, natural stone. And in the natural stone, we can use either stone with a natural edge or pre-cut and patterned stone. So there's a lot of choices, and with pavers, there's a huge world of choices out there. We help clients narrow that down, the realm of choices, by honing on what they'd like to see. Are they going for a modern look or a cottage feel? What kind of a feel do they want? Is this something where there's going to be a lot of people on it all the time? Is it just a passageway from the garage to the door? There's a lot of considerations there, and we really get to know our clients and their needs before making the design so that we can help with the material selections. And I like to tell folks that for material selection for walkways, really the world is your oyster. We can do so many different pavers. And so I'll send folks to look at some of our suppliers so that they can see what materials look like in person before making that selection, so they know exactly what they're getting into.